Good morning. Welcome to your 10-minute yoga flow. We'll begin standing. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale, fold forward over your legs with a long spine. Bend your knees. Inhale, straighten the legs, lift up halfway. Exhale, fold Uttanasana. Step far back with the left leg, low lunge. Slowly lowering the left knee down to the mat. Inhale, spread the arms out and up. Exhale, stretch the arms forward, bringing the left elbow to the outside of the right knee, twisting open. Release the hands to the mat. Stretch your right leg straight, flex your toes toward you, fold forward any amount. Reground into the front foot. Press the hands into the mat. Step back, plank pose. Come forward on your toes. Lower your knees to the mat. Lower down in one line. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, lift the heart, Bhujangasana, and lower down with length. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down slowly. So you're curling open the spine, the elbows tight to the side body. Press the mat away. Bring your thumb to your heels, forehead to the mat. Curl the toes under. Press the hips up and back, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, stretch your right leg straight up to the sky. Exhale, knee towards your nose. Inhale, stretch the leg up. And exhale, step the right foot forward, low lunge. You can always help your foot forward between the hands, that's no problem. Bring your left foot forward to meet the right. Sit down deep, Utkatasana. Inhale up, hands to heart. Breathe in, stretch the arms out and up. Exhale, lean towards your right. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Inhale up. Exhale, lean to the left. Inhale, straight up, open across the heart and flow forward over your legs. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, lengthen the spine, come up halfway. Exhale to fold. Step way back this time with your right leg, left knee over left ankle, lower your right knee down to the mat. Inhale, low lunge, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, stretch the arms forward, find length in the spine, and then hook the right elbow to the outside of the knee. Twist open. Release the fingertips to the earth, straighten your front leg, flex your toes, fold forward. We bend into your front knee, ground the hands, bring the left knee back to meet the right, shoulders above wrists, belly strong, elbows graze the side body, lie down onto your belly. Roll the shoulders back, inhale, lift the heart, exhale, lower with control. Engage your thighs so much that your kneecaps lift up away from the mat here. Last time, lifting up the heart, spreading across the chest, and exhale, lower with length. Press the mat away, coming into Balasana, Child's Pose, seat to heels. Inhale, curl the toes under, press the hips back, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, sweep the left leg up to the sky. Exhale, knee towards your nose, shoulders above wrists. Inhale, straighten the leg up and back, and exhale, bend the knee high into the chest and step the foot in between the hands. You can always help the foot forward. Low lunge. Step the right foot forward. Come up, Utkatasana, and straighten the legs, hands to heart. Moving through that both sides one more time. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, lean to the right. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, lean to the left. Inhale, spread across the chest. And exhale, fold forward over your legs. Here, long spine, come halfway up, long neck, look at the floor. Exhale, fold. Step way back with the left leg. Come forward on your left toes, lower your knee down to the mat. Inhale, engage the thighs to lift up, low lunge. Exhale, stretch forward. elbow to the outside of the knee and twist open. Revolve your heart and gaze up and to the right. Release your hands to frame your foot. Straighten your front leg. Flex your toes and fold. Reground into your front foot, bend the knee. Bring your right knee back to meet the left. Bring your shoulders over your wrists. Elbows tight into your side body. Lower down as slowly as you can here. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale, lift the heart and knee out. Your legs are active here. You're pressing the tops of the feet into the mat. And you're curling the spine up with ease, grace, and levity. Press the mat away. Bring your bum to your heels. Child's pose. Curl the toes under. Lift the hips. Press actively back through your arms. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, sweep the right leg up. Exhale, knee towards your nose, shoulders above wrists. Inhale, straighten the leg up and back. And exhale, hug that knee in tight to ground it between the hands, low lunge. Step the back foot forward to meet the right. Squat down deep, Utkatasana. Inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, straight up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, stretch your arms straight up, open across the chest, and dive forward over your legs. Inhale, lengthen the spine, come halfway up. Exhale, fold Uttanasana. Inhale, step way back with the right foot, coming into low lunge. Lower your right knee down to the mat. Squeeze your inner thighs towards midline, lift up with the arms. Exhale, extend forward, find length in the spine, and bring the elbow to the outside of the left knee. Revolving open. Bring your fingertips to the mat, straighten your left leg, flex your toes toward you. Fold. We bend into the front knee. Ground the hands, bring the left knee back to meet the right, shoulders over wrists, lower down in one long line. Roll the shoulders back, inhale, Bhujangasana. 2 more times. Lifting and lowering with control, grace, and so much ease. Press the mat away, coming into Balasana, child's pose. Curl the toes under, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Pull the hips up and back, spreading the fingers wide. Inhale, sweep the left leg up to the sky. Exhale, knee to nose, shoulders over wrists. Inhale, extend leg straight up. And exhale, step the foot in between the hands for low lunge. And step the right foot forward to meet the left. Squat down deep, Utkatasana. And then straighten the legs, hands to heart. Beautiful work. Amazing what you can do in just 8.5 minutes, right? Come up on the right toes, open and twist the arms out towards the right. Stay here or lift your right knee up. Bring the left hand to the outside of the knee, finding your balance. Twists are wonderful detoxing poses for the body. Other side, coming up on the left toes, open the arms or bring the right hand to the outside of the knee. Finding your balance, straighten your right leg a little bit more. Twist deeper, looking at your back hand. Release the foot. Inhale, sweep the arms out and up. Exhale, dive forward over your legs. Bend your knees, come up on your toes, sitting all the way down. Straighten your legs out in front of you, flex your toes towards you. Inhale, the arms up. Exhale, halfway down. Inhale, come halfway up. And exhale, fold over your legs. Grab onto what you will. Every inhalation, find a little more length in the spine. And then use your belly to fold you deeper. Inhale, stretch the arms out and up. Exhale, release them to your sides and lowering all the way down onto your spine, onto your back. Bring your hips to the left and then allow the left knee to bend and glide over towards the right. Perhaps setting an intention today to laugh out loud, like a child, maybe for no reason, no good reason at all. Bend into the knees, press the hips over towards the right, straighten the left leg, and glide the right knee over the left leg. Revolving, twisting open here. This is our final day of our 30-day Good Morning 10-minute challenge. If you stayed with me the whole way, I'm so thrilled for you. I'm so thrilled. Stay in touch. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling. And we're done for the day. So roll up to seated. Sending you so much love from my heart. Namaste.